Across the globe, villagers have attributed odd, unexplained sounds to mythological creatures and ancient deities. In the wilds of British Columbia, the haunting cries in the night are often linked to the mythical Sasquatch, a legend that speaks of the unknown lurking in the forest. Elements of ancient folklore even tie strange oceanic roars to the kraken, an enormous sea monster said to emerge from the depths to wreak havoc. Meanwhile, in the deserts of Australia, sounds like singing sands have been connected to spiritual rituals of the indigenous cultures. Each tale points to our deep-rooted need to explain the unexplainable through shared myths, reminding us of the captivating bond between humanity and the mysteries of nature.